How to fix Wi-Fi not showing on settings on Windows. Hey everybody, if you're facing this issue, let's see how you can fix it. First thing you have to do is open up your command prompt. So type in CMD on the start menu and then run it as administrator. Click on yes to give it permission to run as administrator. Now you're going to type in this command. This is not for fixing, but you have to check if there are any issues with your hardware. So it's a good way to check your hardware changes. So go ahead and type in this command right here that says 127.1.1, but before that, write in ping space this and hit enter. And if it shows all of these reply, then that means there is no issue with your hardware. So let's continue. Now you're going to have to open up your control panel. And once your control panel is open, go to View by Category to Large Icons, and then go to Internet Options. So I'm going to find my Internet Options here, go to Advanced, and then Restore Advanced Settings. Once you click on it, you're going to have to restore all of these settings. Click on Apply, and then OK. Now close this out, and then open services.msc on your Run dialog box. Once you open this up, all you have to do is find the service called WLAN autoconfig, which is right around here, WLAN. Let me just scroll down. So here is it. I'm going to right click on it and go to properties. Make sure the startup type is automatic. If it's running, just stop it once and then start it again. Click on apply and then OK. Now you're good to go. Now finally, what you can do is open control panel again. And now this time you're going to have to go to your Internet Network and Sharing Center and then go to Change Adapter Settings. Now right click on the Wi-Fi option, then disable it. Right click on it and enable it back again. Now you'll get your Wi-Fi network here and then you should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and enable. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.